Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to craft scrap from all the garbage inside of Voices of the Void. This is for Voices of the Void Alpha 0.9.0, so if your game is in the future, because this is 2026 when I'm recording this, things look different and behave different, it might be because you need to look up a guide for a different version of the game. So the simple answer to how you make this work is you just pick up stuff off the ground, dump it onto this workbench, and then you'll have the option when you hover over stuff, when you have enough pieces in order to craft things. And you can craft not just scrap, but I can click on wood scrap to convert all that wood into this lovely piece of scrap that's like a bunch of different wood jankled together. But you can also use this, if you have the right kinds of scrap, in order to craft things like additional drives for scanning. If you have I believe it's three electronic scrap, you can do that. Or you can craft like graphics cards so that you can use the Bitcoin mining thing in here to get free points. All you have to do is just grab all this junk off the ground, plop it down on top of here, and you can slowly start to clean up everything and get usable material that you can do things like, well, I think most of the wood is mostly just good for turning into fuel by burning it in the furnace downstairs. But there's other stuff that you can kind of just turn into things like upgrades for your robot when you buy the robot. If you're unaware of the robot, find out about the robot and come back. So we can just continue to craft this lovely wooden scrap and continue to clean up this horrific garage. Like, we can get some rubber bits. And you end up needing these for a few different things, so it's a good idea to have some stores of scrap around to utilize. There we go. Now we've got some electronic scrap, which looks like a bunch of electronic engines and stuff. So yeah, that's how you craft different rubbers and things. You just need to put the materials on the crafting table, and you should be able to craft most things without an additional blueprint. Some things, however, have changed. Like, if you want to make the better robot, you actually have to go into the bunker out front, break inside, and get the blueprint book and put it on the table when you're working with it in order to craft those parts. Similarly, you might have to either find or purchase blueprints for a couple of items if they don't want to craft immediately if you look them up on the wiki. But usually the wiki can tell you where to get those blueprints if you need them. That'd be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody. Have a good one.